Chapter 1. History of Computer. What you'll learn. Abacus. Napier's bones. Pascaline. Difference engine. Mark I. ENIAC. UNIVAC. Generations of computers. Modern computers. Kinds of computers. The computer as we know it today had its beginning with a 19th century English mathematician named Charles Babbage. He designed the analytical engine, and it was the design on which the framework of the computers of today is based on. But, very earlier it was not like today. Cavemen used sticks, stones and bones as their counting tools. As human mind and technology improved with time, more computing devices were developed. Counting devices of cavemen. It is evident how life has changed since technology has been introduced in human life with the passage of time. The method of calculation also started to change. Let us read how computer became an indispensable part of our life. Abacus. The history of computing devices starts from about 5,000 years ago in Babylonia, Mesopotamia, with the birth of the abacus, a wooden rack holding two horizontal wires with beads strung on them. It was the first device used for counting and calculating. It is made of a wooden frame, metal rods and wooden beads. It takes a great deal of time and practice to learn how to master the use of an abacus. An abacist is a person who is experienced in using an abacus. Today, the abacus is still being used widely in China and other Asian countries to count and calculate, just as we use calculators. Each bead has a specific value. Reading from right to left, the beads in the first column are worth 1, in the second column the beads are worth 10, in the third column the beads are worth 100 and so on. Addition, subtraction, multiplication and division operations are performed by moving the appropriate beads to the middle of the abacus. Upper deck. Beads. Beam. Rods. Frame. Lower deck. Napier's bones. In 1617, John Napier made a calculating device, a set of rectangular rods called Napier's bones. The rods were made up of carved bones, which were for performing addition, subtraction, multiplication, division and square roots. Pascaline. Pascaline, also called arithmetic machine, the first calculator or adding machine to be produced in any quantity and actually used. The Pascaline was designed and built by the French mathematician, philosopher Blaise Pascal between 1642 and 1644. It could only do addition and subtraction, with numbers being entered by manipulating its dials. Pascal invented the machine for his father, a tax collector, so it was the first business machine too. Difference engine. Difference engine is known as the first computer, designed and partially built during the 1820 and 1830 by Charles Babbage. The difference engine was more than a simple calculator, however. Like modern computers, the difference engine had storage, that is a place where data could be held temporarily for later processing, and it was designed to stamp its output into soft metal, which could later be used to produce a printing plate. Mark I was designed in 1937 by a Harvard graduate student, Howard H. Aiken, to solve advanced mathematical physics problems encountered by him in his research. Mark I was originally called the Automatic Sequence Controlled Calculator by IBM, and often referred to as the Harvard calculator when first installed in Cambridge in 1944. It started to be known as Mark I as its successor machines were built. Code byte. A form of manual counting used was knotted strings, sometimes known as the quipu. In their simplest form, knotted number strings are much the same as the simple tally sticks. Counting with the use of knotted strings has been found all over the world. The Inca Indians, in particular, were known for using the quipu. ENIAC. The full form of ENIAC is Electronic Numerical Integrator and Computer, the first programmable general-purpose electronic digital computer, built during World War II by the United States. It was invented by John Mauchly and J. Presper Eckert. ENIAC was the most powerful calculating device built to date. It was the first programmable general-purpose electronic digital computer. It had the ability to execute different instructions or to alter the order of execution of instructions based on the value of some data. This gave ENIAC a lot of flexibility and meant that, while it was built for a specific purpose, it could be used for a wider range of problems. ENIAC. UNIVAC. The UNIVAC, Universal Automatic Computer, is an electrical computer containing thousands of vacuum tubes that utilizes punch cards and switches for inputting data and punch cards for outputting and storing data. It was released in 1951 and 1952 when first developed by J. Presper Eckert and John Mauchly. Generations of computers. Evolution of the present-day computer is commonly classified into generations of computers. Each new generation resulted in the following changes: increase in speed, storage capacity and reliability. Decrease in cost and size. Generation period. Circuitry. Data input operation. Data output operation. External storage. Language. Examples. First 1940 to 56. Vacuum tubes. Punched cards. Punched cards as the main storage medium assembly. Magnetic tapes. Machine, assembly. UNIVAC, ENIAC, EDVAC. Second, 1956 to 63. Transistors. Punched cards, magnetic tapes. Punched cards. Magnetic tapes. Fortran, COBOL, BASIC, PL1. IBM 1400 and 700 series, IBM 350. Third, 1964 to 71. Integrated circuits, IC. Keyboard. Monitor. Magnetic disks. Sophisticated OS were used: Pascal, Fortran, COBOL, RPG. IBM System 360, Apple I, Alta. Fourth, 1970 to present. Microprocessors, VLSI. Keyboard, mouse, scanner, etc. Monitor, printers. Magnetic disks with higher capacity. Use of special software for maintaining large database, RDBMS, C++ in 1985. IBM PC in 1980. Fifth, present and beyond. With artificial intelligence, quantum computation, nanotechnology. Optical fiber technology to handle artificial intelligence. Capacity to think and reason. Can understand human speech, recognize patterns like faces and other complex images. Robots and humanoids. Modern computers. Nowadays, people are using different types of computers, such as desktop computer, laptop, palm top, tablets, etc. Kinds of computers. The four basic types of computers are as under: 1. Supercomputer. 2. Mainframe computer. 3. Minicomputer. 4. Microcomputer. Supercomputer. A supercomputer is the fastest computer in the world that can process a significant amount of data very quickly. The computing performance of a supercomputer is measured very high as compared to a general-purpose computer. Mainframe computer. Mainframe computers are less costly, small in size and slower in speed than the supercomputers and are used as a storage for large database and serve as a maximum number of users simultaneously. The first successful mainframe computer was invented by IBM. Mini-computers. Mini-computers are used by small businesses and firms. Mini-computers are also called mid-range computers. These are small machines and can be accommodated on a desk with not as much processing and data storage capabilities as supercomputers and mainframes. These computers are not designed for a single user. Individual departments of a large company or organization use mini-computers for specific purposes. For example, a production department can use mini-computers for monitoring certain production processes. Microcomputer. Desktop computers, laptops, personal digital assistant, PDA, tablets and smartphones are types of microcomputers. The microcomputers are widely used and are the fastest growing computers. The microcomputers are specially designed for general usage, like entertainment, education, and work purposes. Key takeaways. As human mind and technology improved with time, more computing devices were developed. Abacus is made of a wooden frame, metals rods and wooden beads. In the early 17th century, John Napier, a Scottish mathematician, invented another calculating tool called Napier's bones. The supercomputer is the fastest computer in the world. The microcomputers are specially designed for general usage, like entertainment, education, and work purposes. Mini computers are used by small businesses and firms.